We made that and then Mummy, look.
Oh, it's inside there now.
Is it in the oven?
Yeah, you cook it. And then you...
Oh, I can't wait to see your bread.
With that one carrot, it's going to cut it.
Yeah.
Pieces.
Can I cut it into pieces?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's in there now?
That's our other bread.
You made 2 breads?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a flap. It's like flapping. It's a...
Oh, here we go.
what? Oh my goodness.
I got cream, that Mama.
You are very lucky.
Now that's a crate.
There you go.
What do you
Have
say?
at it and make mess, right?
What do you say?
Do you want to try?
Go. Go on then. Just a fork. You can't pick it up. You're gonna have
You
to.
guys want tea or coffee?
I have coffee actually, please.
It's a rainy morning here.
The lawnmower shot rock or something
We cookies.
like that.
It's come.
So something's happening where this is,
It's clamping round.
yeah, because my Dutch oven isn't big enough.
Gonna have to get.
Us. You know, cook. Oh, these.
I mean, she did take a bite out of yours, so. We headed out to Roaring Camp. This was an absolute highlight of my whole trip. We would thoroughly recommend it to anyone. Yeah, it's great. I want to go back in the summer and do the one down to Santa Cruz because I think that would be great.
Excited to go on the train.
Ben drove us here and we are still alive. Good work, sport.
You have, yeah. Because in the back you get the worst bit.
Tony's the child today in the back.
Yeah, I was in the back and the other thing.
Is Grandad to you?
No, I'm Tony.
You're Tony, are you?
Sometimes we'll ride mountain bikes to parts of this. Up here, there's like some big jumps and things up here. That's what they've got.
I think if I rode a mountain bike up here on a jump, I'd probably break every limb in my body.
It's scary. They are. It's just gone down. There was a turtle
Little
there.
turtle.
Yeah, they want to. Because they're snacking.
There's loads of duckies.
Too bad in the end, right?
No, it's fine.
The morning was like. Yeah. Put it through.
Ooh, so fast. What are you doing up there?
Where's the train? Can you hear it?
it? Is it going?
Here it comes. See its light? Look, it's got a light on.
It's
Elodie,
chicken.
look.
I'm chicken, Mummy.
Elodie.
You're chugging too?
I'm chicken.
Please keep your hands, arms, head, and any other object within the confines of your train car. We have lots of close passing vegetation and trees that could use a smack on the way line. Bags, unnecessarily large camera
What
equipment,
snacks have you got?
or foldable children.
Are they good for those?
All these items must be stored underneath your seatbelt. Great knowledge, because I will
Oh,
be
yummy.
passing through the train occasionally. We have plans to depart the station, so let's get this show on the road. Engine 1, you got the highball.
You ready?
I'm so excited.
I'm
Again.
like that.
We're only 10 minutes late. Not too bad compared to Amtrak time. Be sure to give a friend away down to the left behind. We'll probably never see them again.
Smells so good.
These train tracks that we're currently riding on, and this wild and morning camp that we're now leaving, were built between 1958 and 1966 as authentic recreations of the log railroad and frontier town. One that you would have found in the
Yeah, we'll go back to Tracy's later.
1880s. Now, although these are these are good shade design, patented by Esther Shade, removing the bricks.
There you go.
Here we go.
Ticket. Give me a ticket, please.
Thank you.
There you go.
Wow. What do you say? It's little bunnies. Elodie, you got a wave? He's going to jump on here.
Yeah, that was good.
No, you're not allowed to stay in the hole.
Oh, okay.
Now we're going again now.
Sun's coming out.
Going up higher.
Super fast. It wasn't Thomas. No.
This is a much bigger train.
This
I
is
find it so weird how
bigger than
the
Percy.
redwoods have like very little branches, the really tall ones. They're just
it was green.
Let's hear now approaching our stop. Up there now. Here at Bear Mountain on the right-hand side. Watch out, the grass is over there. And if you're up there, you guys can see the road now. All you have to do is walk towards the rear of this train, follow the train track, and look back, then make the right turn to the road. Please remain seated until you hear one whistle blast. There it is. It's now.
When you get to the top, you get a few minutes, it's not long, it was about 10 minutes to get off the train. You can have a little wander around, take some photos. He directed you in different places you could go see. There's restrooms up there, and then you all board back on the train and you go back down the mountain, but a slightly different route.
Oh, I will replace it.
I would have loved an extra few minutes up there. It just felt very short for the stop when there's so much to look at. But I'm glad we got to get off and, actually stand in the middle of it all.
We're going back to where we were.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
I've never seen him run scared like that.
Yeah, now we're going down.
Yeah.
This is the bed
Calcium and the other minerals get left behind and coat the entire inside of that boiler in a layer that's called scale. Now that scale, besides being corrosive to the metal of the boiler, it also acts as an insulation, blocking the transfer of the heat from the fire into the water, reducing our thermal efficiency. So instead of disassembling that boiler and cleaning it every day, we have what's known as a blowdown valve. It's mounted to the very bottom of the boiler, and when it's opened by the fireman, it causes the water inside that boiler to swirl around violently, breaking up that layer of scale that's on the inside of that boiler. And then ejects it out the side into a big cloud of steam.
Yeah.
It was then time to descale the train, so the next puff of steam is a big one. They also had a Christmas tree trail thing still open, so we had a little wander around there. Elodie, it's a doggy. Oh, I love these.
Here you go. Thomas's day out.
Yeah, if you put them on, they make the lights look like a funny shapes. No, they like change what you look at. So cute. My name. Oh, stuck! It's Elodie size. You can go in it. What did Auntie Tracy get you?
And a whistle.
It's a conductor duck and a train whistle. Would you like me to hold your pin? And the duck. Can I open it? Well, let's pay for the pins and then we'll go, okay? We can go open it. Are you going to stay with...
I know. How's it work?
We've got to open it.
Did you open it? Or did you get it already?
Yeah. This duck is so cute. Well, that's a really good balance. Oh my goodness. I think you're the best at that.
Go on then, do it again.
There's your sex appeal on this lovely.
Uncontrollable would be mine. Naturally. To put some pennies in. I don't even know if it works.
And you take this. Okay, I'll give you some change.
Wait there, baby. That's it, you gotta wait for your change.
There you go, sweetie.
What do you say? Good girl. It's alright, I'll put music over everything. Hi, ducky friends.
Make sure they all get something right.
Good girl.
Walk right in front of you. Yeah? Whoa! No, closer. Stop.
Right there. Yeah, there you go.
Go on in. Go walk back to the car. Where's Krista?
Elodie went for a nap back at the house with Auntie Tracy, so we went to Target. Straight in my basket. Oh, yes!
Yeah.
We didn't realise that everyone gets ID'd for alcohol, so we were crying at the fact that this retired man got asked for ID.
Are we going to 7-Eleven? Yeah, we are.
Do you want to go 7-Eleven or...
How pretty the sky looks.
Look at that house on top of the mountain. Oh, right.
Right on the top there, yeah.
Yee!
In the evening, Tracy had booked for us to go to the Fantasy of Lights drive-through at Santa Clara County Park. Santa Clara County Park. And we had to drive through Los Gatos to get there. And this was Los Gatos, and it was absolutely stunning.
How pretty. Look, see? You see pretty? Pretty lights.
That's me. I just expected.
Look at that.
That was the
Christmas
place.
tree.
That looks like a...
I think that was the place that had
Christmas
the
tree.
things outside.
Where's the Christmas tree?
It was over that side. You missed it.
Yeah. What does that say there? Downtown.
Los Gatos.
You see the lights?
This was so much better than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I thought it was going to be, but I didn't think it was going to be this good. You turn up, you have to pre-book, and they tune your radio into their station, and it plays all Christmas music whilst you're going around. And yeah, the lights were incredible.
Look at that.
That makes them all Christmas trees. I wonder if it does it on the camera or not. Oh, it does! Ben, look, if you put it on the camera, it turns the lights into Christmas trees.
Can you see all of the lights in here? Look over here.
Oh, look. This is a potato and a tooth. I don't know why a tooth, but there.
Can you see him?
Yes. Some significance that we don't understand,
Daddy,
right?
I want my new glasses. We go at the shop.
Earlier, we have a look at new dust there. Look. Some hearts.
I'll get out, Mummy.
Yeah.
You can't get out, baby. You've got to look through the car.
Why?
Oh, look.
It's a drive-through.
Oh, the elves, look. Are those gnomes? The Ice King's house. Gun to the Penguin.
Look, there's Santa waving over here. Real Santa's having a rest now because he did gave you all your presents.
No one does expect one.
No.
You could do that.
band.
Wicked. Because California.
Clockwork soldiers. That's what that is.
Wicked Finland like this one.
Oh, Finn will like that, will he?
Yeah, I see he lies under the key. Oh, that
Santa's riding that one.
I think that's a dragon tail one.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, that.
Here we go.
Let's go. Here we go.
Look at that. That's cool.
He's got a Sorcerer Mickey hat in front.
We're going to hyperspeed.
Wow.
Oh, Elodie.
Let's run back a bit. It's looking.
Ship's firing.
Someone sent.
I'll go through that
So
one.
as you go through the zones,
I'll
right?
go through that one, Mummy. What's that called?
These ones. So you've got snowmen.
You come into this zone,
The snowman's struggling here.
and then you pause onto this.
What we do with snowman?
You look at them.
The snowman turns into the doggy. Look, my watch.
Yeah.
Watch. Now, is he going?
Yeah, it's like
Santa Clara County Parks takes great pride in being a place where diversity and inclusivity thrive. We're dedicated to providing outstanding recreational opportunities for park visitors, preserving our rich cultural and historical legacy, and offering an expansive regional trail system for everyone to enjoy. County Parks wishes everyone a happy and healthy holiday season.
Whoa.
chipmunks roasted on an open fire.
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, it is. No,
Oh,
they're
this
all
one.
clockwork soldiers.
There's lots of
Isn't it? Clockwork soldiers.
Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree.
Look how Daddy's window.
Look at this side, there's a train. I think so.
Yeah, Mum, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to go through there. I just
What are you scared of?
those.
What? The lights?
No, that one is there.
That one said, what, the one that's above the head? It says, Happy New Year.
That one.
This Santa on his
But I don't want to go to see that one.
Oh, it is. It's just lights, baby. It's okay.
Look at Santa's bike.
I don't want to. I'll go back that way.
Baby,
this
you
one?
can't. Is it this, what, this blue one here? He's a wizard.
Oh,
He's a wizard. A wizard.
yeah, that's for wicked.
Yeah.
There you go. Wicked, eh?
Oh, thank you. That would be funny. I thought about that one.
You thought he was a lizard.
Yeah. Oh, dinosaur.
Oh my goodness.
Dinosaurus.
Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree.
Don't copy money, boy. Don't copy. Only you don't copy. Only you don't copy over there. Don't copy.
Don't copy.
Okay? Just stay quiet.
Oh look, Christmas tree.
Don't go through there.
Did you get them first?
I did.
I did. I did money.
Did you?
Fly.
Flutterby.
Oh, you have fly.
I like the dinosaurs.
It is dinosaur. It's a dinosaur.
Look at the pink butterfly. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Espero
This is the
una
end.
felicidad.
Dad.
Oh,
Oh yeah, let's do that.
is that what it makes?
We then went back for dinner and to catch some sleep before our busy day at Monterey Aquarium the next day.